You increased your gross income by $41,620 this year. You did exactly what you were supposed to do. You took the risk. You earned the promotion. So why did only $14,200 of that actually reach your account? Why does the 24th of the month still feel like a struggle? You blame inflation. You assume it is just lifestyle creep. It is not. It is the incline on the treadmill. The system is not designed to stop you from making money. Instead, it increases the resistance precisely when you gain momentum. You entered the 60% tax trap. The government calls it a phase-out. This trap has 3 rules. It is written into the law. It actively punishes your next hour of effort. And the system acts as an invisible debt collector, taking its cut before the money ever touches your hands. Today, you will see the exact math of how a higher income creates a lower net reality. Mechanism 1, the illusion of the bracket. It is Thursday, 8:15 in the evening. You look at your tax return. You see an average tax rate of 24%. You accept this, but that average rate is just a display number. It exists to keep you pacified. Wealth operates on the test of the last dollar. If you sacrifice a Saturday to earn one more dollar, how much of that specific dollar stays in your pocket? This activates the second mechanism, the phantom penalty. You hit $383,900 in gross income. You push harder. You make an extra $50,000. Before this point, the tax code was giving you standard business deductions. But as you cross this line, the system does not just tax your new money. It begins canceling the deductions you already had on your old money. For every extra dollar you earn, the government taxes it and simultaneously takes back your previous tax breaks. The result is not a 35% tax. The real rate spikes to over 64%. You earned $50,000. The shadow ledger took $32,000 of it. You worked November and December entirely for the state, which leads to mechanism 3, the local multiplier. You assume the federal penalty is the only obstacle. But you live in a state like California or New York. Add a high state income tax. Add extra healthcare surtaxes for high earners. Your extra dollar is now taxed federally, taxed by the state, hit with surtaxes, and penalized by canceled deductions. The math becomes violently clear. On that final dollar of income, you keep roughly 34 cents. The system has quietly made itself the majority shareholder of your labor. Mechanism 4, the phantom premium. It is Tuesday, 11:43 in the morning. You are looking at a tuition bill for your child's school. It is $24,000. You assume a $24,000 expense requires $24,000 of effort. Because you only keep 36 cents of every new dollar, you actually need to earn $66,666 just to pay that bill. The premium is invisible. Every upgrade in your life, the safer car, the vacation, costs nearly triple its stated price in raw income. The treadmill is now at a 15-degree incline, which brings us to the 5th mechanism, the classification trap. You were raised on a lie. The lie says the path to wealth is a high salary, but the system reserves its highest penalties for active workers. The ultra-wealthy do not trigger these traps. They do not trade their direct labor for a paycheck. They accumulate assets and borrow against them. The 60% tax trap is a net designed for one specific group, the working rich, the professional who trades stress and time for money. It is Monday, 11:15 at night. You realize there are not enough hours in the week to out-earn a 64% drain. Your ambition is not broken, but you are playing the wrong game. The math is complete, but you must understand what the shadow ledger actually records. It does not track your money. The state can print currency at will. It tracks your time. By taking the majority of your extra money, the system ensures you cannot buy your freedom early. If you kept 80 cents of every dollar, you would reach your target in a decade. you would step off the treadmill. So it changes the math. It exhausts you into submission. Tomorrow is Tuesday. You will wake up at 6 in the morning. You will go to the office. You will still chase the promotion. The math does not change overnight, but the perception does. The next time you celebrate a revenue milestone, you will not feel the same naive victory. You will see the 64 cents that were taken before you even reached out your hand. The trap only works in the dark. Now the lights are on. If you recognized your own treadmill in this math today, do not step off blindly. Subscribe to this channel. We have more ledgers to audit.